Welcome to Scarborough, Cape Town, South Africa, one of the safest villages in the country and home to Gone to the Beach luxury villa, just meters from the main beach and surrounded by the glorious mountains of the Cape Point Nature Reserve and the mighty Atlantic Ocean. The villa boasts wonderful entertainment areas, a front porch with sea views, a private bride deck with wood-burning fire and Weber barbecue, table tennis table and darts. There is a cooling swimming pool for those hot summer days. There is even a hot and cold outdoor shower to wash off the salt and beach sand after swimming or surfing in the waves of the Atlantic. Child and pet friendly, the pool is equipped with a safety net if required, and the property is fully fenced for peace of mind. The living areas comprise a spacious lounge and dining area with a cozy wood-burning hearth for those cool winter evenings. A private TV room with satellite TV will keep you abreast of the world of sport. The kitchen features a gas hob and electric oven, a dishwasher, large fridge freezer, microwave. The fine cutlery, crockery and kitchenware complete the picture. If you don't feel like cooking, there are 3 restaurants within walking distance of the villa and a deli-style organic store selling fresh produce and artisan breads. Laundry facilities are available on request. The main suite has a large queen-size bed and single bed. Adorned with fine fabric and percale linen, there is a tastefully decorated private ensuite bathroom with bath and separate shower. Bath and beach towels are provided. A private balcony with sweeping sea and mountain views is the perfect spot for a romantic sundowner. The Sea View Suite has its own entrance and sleeps 2 in a queen-size double bed. Also has its own bathroom with bath and separate shower. The children's room has 2 single beds and a double bunk bed to sleep 4 in comfort. A large airy bathroom with open shower and lots of cupboard space adjoin the bedroom. In summary, the villa offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, accommodating a maximum of 9 guests. Off-street parking for 2 cars is provided. Gone to the Beach, a stunning luxury retreat within easy reach of the Cape Town buzz.